The sun is unimaginable celestial power, and thrilled mortals use theirs to coordinate this lunchtime. Your survival is not impossible, only very, very, very unlikely. Let's dance! All beings are made of the same stardust. Such a shame. Never stand in the path of a star.
I can't believe how close that got!